All right, I think that the battery's starting to die on this, but let's check and see what it says in here. And if I can get this Volt started. Oh, look what it says. Replace battery and remote key. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. I gotta go back in the house to do it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go back in. Let's replace it. And then we'll come back out and see if it works. Yeah. So luckily I got these from my friends at POWEROWL. Check them out. They're CR2032s. CR2032s. That's what you're going to need for this. Okay? So you want to get these. You can get them on Amazon, I believe. I'll put the link in the in the description so you guys can find them. So let's go ahead and we'll change it right now. Okay, so here's our battery, right? Check it out. CR2032. This is the back with the little like pattern on it. And notice there's like a little lip there. And this is the front. So just remember, you're going to need to know which orientation to use. All right, now you're looking at this going, how the heck do I open this up to get to the battery? It's pretty simple. You're going to come to the little button here. So anyway, you got to open that up. Once it's open, then you're going to come to this side. And you're going to notice that there's a cut right here, and it goes here and around. So underneath here, this part here, not the front, but the back, is where the battery is. So I'm going to hold this tight, and then I'm going to stick my thumb in here, pop it, and it opens up. There it is. And then I'm going to set that down, and we're going to take a look, and here is where the old battery is. And you can see it's a CR2032, and this is our new battery here. So we've got to take this battery out, and you'll notice it kind of slips underneath there. So I've got to kind of like pop it out of here. And there's like little springs on it, and it kind of catches it on both sides. But let's go ahead and do that. You would think it would just come out of there, but no. All right, so we're going to need a tool. This is like an Apple tool here. So I think I can reach in and just pop it out. Let's see. There we go. So now I've got it up, all right? So now that's out. Now I can take the new one, which is our POWEROWL, and I've got to see how there's little springs right here. See those two little springs? I've got to get it into there, and then all I got to do is pop it down. And now it's in. That's it. Now we got our new battery in there. You follows me? Now we have to put this part back on, which is pretty simple. All you've got to do is just, let me set that down. Just got to set this over here like that. See how I set it on there? And then all I'm going to do is really, I'm going to smush it down with my two thumbs, just like this. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Then I close it. And now all we got to do is go downstairs and see if it works good. But I think we got it squared away. Again, so you guys know, pop that open, come in here, grab it, twist, pop it, and bam, there's your battery. To put this back on, just set it down, squeeze. Bam, Bob's your uncle. That's it right there. That's how you do it. And this is the old battery. All right, let's go check it out and see if it works. All right, so that's my 2012, oh my God, 2012 Volt. Check it out, runs great. Still runs good. And here's our FOB. And let's see if it works. That worked. So that works. It opened the door. Now when we get in here, it should, look, we're good, right? Now all I got to do is put my foot on the brake down there, press that button right there, it should start. All right, our FOB is now working. Congratulations to us for doing a good job on it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on FOBs. Peace out.